All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be covering how we're using ChatGPT to find unique messaging angles for outbound. This is relevant for our clients, for our own campaigns. But yeah, I'm just gonna cover how to pretty much take your offer, take your target market, turn that target market into segments, find the personas that are most relevant within the segments to reach out to, and then find the pain points of that persona, and then create tailored offers for that persona. So I know it's kind of a lot, but it'll make sense as I build this out, and this is how pretty much how we're going to create really relevant messaging, and get as close as possible to that sort of one-on-one message that's really speaking directly to the prospect, and offering something that is actually going to solve a pain point or fulfill a need that they have within their position. So what I'm going to do is I just found this random freight and logistics company. Um, I chose a tough niche because yeah, I'm going to show you how like you can get really. This pretty much works for any industry, right? Any offer industry. So I'm just gonna do it with this company, and yeah, I'm gonna show you sort of how this works. So yeah, they do freight and logistics. Obviously, that's literally what they're called. And I don't really know much about freight logistics, but ChatGPT knows a lot. So we're gonna figure out all everything that we can do over outbound for these guys. Even though I don't know anything about this niche very much. So this is how we're gonna approach it. So first we need to like lay out the sort of the scope of our market, of our offer, and what we're trying to do here with our outbound campaign. So first, to start with this, you are the head of cold email demand generation at FrightandLogistics.com. So we're just kind of framing the AI as the head of cold email demand generation for this company. So we're just getting it like in the sort of like the mindset, or sort of aligning our goals and our vision with this. Um, I or your your goal is to create hyper relevant and personalized cold email outbound campaigns targeting your ideal customer profiles. Okay, so just give me the mission. Um, I need you to list out every. So first, we're going to start with developing the segments. So we just want to, yeah, we just want to find out like what are all the industries and sub industries and personas within the sub industries that we can reach out to, and just kind of learn more about like who are the people we're looking to speak to. So yeah, great. First, I need you to list out every um, relevant industry segment and um, job role persona within these segments, comma, that we can sell our freight logistics service to. All right, so starting off pretty basic. And again, I don't know anything about freight logistics. I don't know anything, but I'm about to learn a lot about it. Okay, so manufacturing. So these are specific segments. Job role, retail and e-commerce. Okay, wholesale distribution, construction, building materials, energy, industrial, perishable. Okay, aerospace and aviation logistics. All right, so it's gonna be us a lot, and then we're getting all the job roles with it as well. Okay, but these are so there's a lot of. It's not giving the exact output I want, so I'm gonna try to make it more specific. Um, okay, can you dive deep into each relevant segment and list out the most relevant job titles to reach out to within these segments. All right, let's see. All right, this should be better. Okay. All right, so now we're getting the segments. Now we're getting the people we can reach out to. Okay. Construction, yes, the same stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to lay out all the pain points, potential needs that these people might have. Okay. With with the information you've just provided me on these relevant industry segments and most relevant job titles, job title personas within them. Um, please list out all potential pain points and needs that are relevant to our service offering at this freightandlogistics.com. Make these points specific to each job title persona. Okay, so we're making this. I want to get the exact pain points and needs of, let's say, like the VP of energy supply chain at energy industrial commodities logistics companies, right? So I want the pain points of these people, not just like the overall industry, right? So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, boom, it's perfect. So manufacturing logistics, job titles and pain points: chief supply chain officer, okay, and VP supply chain. So kind of the same overall roles. It struggles with rising flight costs and budget constraints. Needs cost efficient shipping solutions without delays. Okay, so see, now we have angles here, right? These are potential things we could write around. But another thing I'm going to do after this is I'm going to have the AI tailor offers specific to these pain points, right? So let's see what else we got. Challenges in same day, 2 day delivery logistics. Okay, so this is an interesting pain point right here, right? Because Amazon's a big thing where it's same day deliverability or delivery. Um, okay, there's a network issue. Okay, this should be fine. Um, yeah, so there's an interesting angle in there. Let's say, it's something you reach out with, like, hey, I see you're struggling with same day deliverability to keep up with Amazon or something like that. These are all things we could dive further into. So, any of these pain points you see laid out here, you can just simply ask AI, like, hey, just copy and paste it, like, hey, can you dive deeper into, why these warehouse inventory managers need strong warehouse to transportation integration? Like, what or dive deeper into those pain points and see like what else we can go into there. I really need to pause this because I think OpenAI is struggling at the moment. All right, so yeah, we got the pain points here, job titles, all the stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have AI tailor specific offers to each of these pain points. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Um, well, we got to be specific with it though. So let's choose one of these. I kind of liked. Let's see. I kind of like this one. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna pretty much just copy this. Come here. Uh, can uh, can can you dive deeper into these pain points and try to tie in a specific slash tailored solution that frightlogistics.com offers uh, service offer can help with. By the way, I'm doing this completely off the whim, just to show you that anyone can do this, and we do this for any industry. This is literally just one take, just doing it. So, can you dive deeper into the pain point to try to tie in a specific tailored solution that right service can offer? Service offering can help with. Um, this will be used in our um, outbound email messaging to these prospects, persona prospects. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Challenge same day pain points. Okay, look, awesome. So it's giving us the pain points and it's also giving us specific solutions to this. So with rising consumer expectations driven by Amazon, e-commerce is struggling. Last mile carrier delays, poor out and poor route optimization. Okay. So let's see what the solutions is coming with. Strategic warehouse and fulfillment network. We provide nationwide fulfillment centers close. Look, now see what we already have something like this. There's already messaging developing here. So what we can do is come here. I'm already seeing like a potential script here. I'm just kind of like writing it in the email format. Okay, I can't type right now. First name. Oh my god, I can't type. Okay. Hey, first name. Sorry, I don't know why I can't type right now. With rising consumer sauce, um, we provide nationwide fulfillment centers close to key metro, reduce mile distances, speed up order processing. Our logistics system intelligent. Okay, awesome. So let's see how this reads. So this is literally just copy and pasting from AI from the prompting that I've done. And okay, it even came up with outbound message. I didn't even see this. Tired of struggling to meet 2-day delivery expectations, our network of nationwide fulfillment hubs and AI power route ensure fast deliveries with it. Like this is solid messaging right here. And this is all done by AI. Like look at this. Okay. Can I type? I cannot. Still can't. Okay. First underscore name. Tired of struggling to meet 2-day delivery. So we can obviously AI script writing isn't like still not the best, but the general idea is there, and we can obviously use our brains to fix this. So first name struggling to meet 2-day delivery expectations for company underscore names products. We can even use AI to like find a specific product since we're targeting e-commerce here. So let's say like, hey, struggling to meet 2-day delivery expectations for a company. Oh, well, actually, no, we'll just say company's products because that wouldn't make sense. Our network of nationwide fulfillment hubs and AI-powered route optimization reduce transit time up to 30%, ensuring faster deliveries without extra costs. Interested in learning or open? I would say like open to discussing further. Honestly, open to discussing further, or maybe actually, you know what? I would say, is this currently an issue? Eh. All right, we say interested in discussing further. For now. Come with the better CTA later, but the overall idea of the email is there. So first name, struggling to meet 2-day delivery expectations for company names, products. So he's like Nike's product. Our network of nationwide fulfillment hubs and AI powered route optimization reduce transit time by up to 30%. You don't want to add bolding in your emails. Ensuring faster delivery without extra cost. Interested discussions further. You could potentially even add like a case study here. So let's say this company has a case study. Here, we should look here. Yeah, retail and commerce goods, I believe. Or let's look at their. Do they have any case studies? Let's see. Mm, can't tell if they have any case studies. Yeah, I can't find their case studies. But if they have a case study, I would potentially add that here, or you can add it in the PS case study, and boom. Like this is a solid email, and this is pretty much all done by AI, all of it, right? And that's just the first example. Other examples. Let's see for this one. Pain points carriers often fail to deliver on time, managing damaging customer trust. Advanced real time tracking. We provide NS GPS enabled track blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see what the message came with. Last mile carrier delays damaging your brand reputation. Our smart freight network automatically optimizes last mile delivery, reducing delays and boosting time. Like this is solid. This is actually solid. Like I don't know anything about freight and logistics and this company at all. This is, by the way, I'm not affiliated with this company at all. I literally just 2 minutes before filming this video, I just looked this company up, and yeah, I already have solid messaging for their company, and it's been about 10 minutes, and I don't really know anything about the industry, but what we've done with AI is we've gone ahead and we've divided their industry into segments. We found the job titles within these segments, and then we found relevant pain points that these job titles experience within these specific segments. And then we asked AI to tie in an offer, specific service offering that this company can offer to these people to solve said pain point and create outbound messaging around that. So that's kind of the general process when it comes to all this. Um, what I'll do is I'll copy and paste all this into the document so you guys can like refer back to it. This will be a messy document. Let's see here. Yeah. So yeah, you guys can go back, refer to this document for any of the prompting, etc. But yeah, I mean, this is like solid. These are solid angles, honestly. With rising, like it actually wrote like a pretty solid email, which is kind of scary. But yeah, I mean, you can do this for any industry. Even came with a little table here. Like, look at this. It's so useful. AI is amazing, and this is with ChatGPT. You could do this with Claude. You can do this with whatever tool you're using. I know there's potential better AI models out there, but um, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much how you go about it. Again, you start with the general market. So first, what was the first question I asked? Yeah, so we want to frame the AI as like, okay, you're the head of cold email demand generation at whatever company. Your goal is to create hyper relevant campaigns. List out every industry segment and job role within those segments. Then we go ahead and we made it dive deeper since it wasn't giving the best output. Then we went ahead and asked for relevant pain points that we could potentially help with, and then we had it tie in offers that our company can help with, and make it specific to the pain points that we told to list out, and also come up with outbound messaging for that. And yeah, it came with really solid messaging, um, leading with the real pain point that these people are experiencing. Um, Led with a real solution that is to solve this pain point. And then from there, I mean, you got a case study, do whatever CTA you want. But yeah, pretty simple stuff. And this is a similar process we pretty much implement for all of our clients at our outbound agency, Rev Growth. Um, yeah, we've worked with 50 plus B2B agencies, and we pretty much use AI in all our processes to some extent. I mean, when it comes to the final scripts, it's obviously we use our humans to verify that the scripts are good, and add our final touches to it. But a lot of the ideation comes from AI, and the general frameworks that we've implemented for all of our clients that we've seen to consistently work across all industries. But yeah, I mean, if you're interested in having something like this implemented for your company, us running out for you guys, you could book a call with us here. Um, but if you're just interested in learning more from me, I have a free newsletter link in the description below. You can sign up to that. I also have a private community that you can join too. You can discuss with me privately on there, and we also run weekly calls. Other than that, yeah, I hope you found this useful. I mean, this is a question I get a lot, and I explain this a lot, and a lot of people don't fully understand it. So I felt like I just need to film a video on it and walk through it in real time, so people can it can make real sense to everyone and see the actual use of this. Because I mean, this is awesome. Like, came with really solid messaging from, and I didn't write any of it. You know, so yeah, really helps the process. Really helps with finding that one-on-one messaging, that unique messaging to lead with, and just in general come with more ideas, more angles to test for your outbound campaigns. But yeah, hope you found this one useful, and cheers.